So I wanted to share with you guys this box that I was sent from Kate Backdrops. It's supposed to be a full kit for Christmas, so you don't have to look for outfits, you don't have to get all the props and everything. So let's go through it. This is so cute. It comes with a little hat, the pants. So this, I'm assuming these are the backdrops. So I always wash and dry these first so that it gets all the wrinkles out and then pop it up. It's so much easier than steaming it, trust me. Oh, and this, they send you a little product list that shows everything that it comes with. So this one, they even send you tape to be able to tape down the floor pieces, which is awesome. There's tons of snowflakes. Lots of snowflakes. Here's the tape. Snowballs, which I can attest my clients love because every year I have them, if we do a snowy set, I usually have them throw snowballs. Okay, let's see. Oh, lanterns. Wow, they actually sent metal lanterns. It's always nice to have props so that you can differentiate. This one's not open. So that you can differentiate the background and the floor so that it looks a little bit more realistic. So I always add in some sort of prop just to give that like depth. So this is such a great idea. I think this is another lantern. Okay, I'm gonna go wash everything and then I will show you it all set up.
Kate Backdrop.